Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. If you are new here, welcome. Please excuse my voice. I am a tad bit under the weather, but I wanted to come to you guys to share how I use my new Revair. And just for fun, I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of my reaction when I received it for Christmas.
See if these are actually
You know what this is?
I don't. What is it? What is it?
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
If it's good enough to make mommy cry, it must be good.
Well, it's just something that you really want.
Oh my gosh!
I knew it.
What is it, Mommy?
I've been wanting this hair dryer for a long time. Shout out to my husband for always coming through for me. I had mentioned it one time last year and he remembered and got it for me. I appreciate you, babe. So this is how the Revair looks. It is much smaller than the original version. So I'm just showing you guys the buttons here. This one in particular controls the heat. So the one with 2 bars will give you a setting that uses heat. And then the one with 1 bar is just cool air, no heat at all, okay? Then also I'm using the suction on 4, but it goes all the way up to 7, okay? This is only the second time that I've used it on my hair, so I'm still learning which setting is best for me. So 4 seems to do pretty well, but the next time I use it, I'll try to go up to 5 and see if I like that setting a bit better. My hair is washed, conditioned, detangled, and I've also prepped it by using that Chi Heat Protected Serum that I showed you guys earlier. I also would highly recommend that you don't use this when your hair is like dripping, soaking wet. Try to let your hair air dry about 5 minutes or so before using the dryer, or just wrap your hair in a microfiber towel just to soak up some of that water. I'm working with medium-sized sections here, so it took me roughly 1.5 to 2 minutes to completely dry each section. Overall, I really love this blow dryer. It is so easy to use and it definitely cuts down the time that it takes to blow dry your hair versus using a traditional blow dryer. And I also like that the heat setting is not very hot at all. I believe it only goes up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't fear getting heat damage. All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. I love you guys, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.